A just recovery from Birdwatch Ireland's perspective means that we as people would live likely on this earth and based on environmental, social and economic justice principles. 63% of Ireland's wild bird species are in trouble, and this is because sectoral policies in agriculture, forestry and fisheries in particular are based on extracting as much as possible from the land and the sea. As a result, we're losing some of our most spectacular wildlife habitats and ecosystems. Protection of nature in Ireland has been at the bottom of government policies for a long time, and the SDGs of life on land and below water have shown very little, if any, progress on halting biodiversity loss. The pandemic has shown us how fragile life is, but also how the interconnectedness of people with nature. People really turned to nature during lockdowns, especially wild birds in their gardens and on the coast and in hedgerows. We are part of nature, but I think many of us had forgotten this. The pandemic has also shown us how fast we can respond to an emergency, and this was really good. But we have not treated the biodiversity and climate emergencies in the same way, though the consequences are going to be worse. Restoring land and marine ecosystems and the organisms they support must be central to government policies. Plans must be drawn up and they must be fully resourced with staff and funding. Sectoral policies should work from the basis of restoring nature and tackling climate change. We don't have any other choice, as resources for humans are being depleted at a rapid pace, and we need resilient ecosystems to help us to adapt to climate change. We are at a crossroads. Our economy is based on the health of planet Earth and not the other way around. It is time to put restoration of nature at the centre of policies for people and our planet.